Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video we are talking about photologger crafting. Let's start our video. First of all, collect one branch and cut the middle of the branch like this. We'll show in the video. We will use a cutter, knife or blade. First of all, sterilize, and now we are started the grafting. First of all, use a blade, cut the middle of the branch 1-2 inches branch, cut in the middle, and now here we will collect second branch, grafting branch, cut the down part of the stem like this. Now little sharper shape of the stem down part, both side. We will sew middle of the stem cell, both side, cut like this, both sides. Or second side. And now we are starting the grafting. First of all, clearly sharp shape and then grafting. You will collect healthy branch, so grafting success rate 100%. And now down part leaf remove and ready to grafting. Grafting branch middle of the stem, and we will show two type method grafting this video. First of all, collect one rope and like this, round and round. Tie it up with rope carefully. So grafting success rate 100%. All air remove between two branches. And covering with tape. Second method. First of all, you collect bended tape and covering with tape, tied up. No air in the grafting two branches like this, covering all grafting part, so no air bubble in the grafting two branches between, like this. And now we will tie it up with rope, so no air bubble into grafting branches. Grafting result will show next video parts. First part ended with the grafting. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so get you will all notification video. That's all of today. Thank you.